Yesterday, when I was removing the fuel tank on my Nissan Titan, one of the fuel tank strap bolts broke off, and now I have to extract the piece what's left. Alright, and I sprayed some penetrating oil, tried vice grip pliers, it didn't really work, and yeah, let's see what we can do. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please take a second to subscribe, very appreciated that. Okay, and now time for the propane torch. I spent 5 minutes heating it up. Actually, heat makes a fantastic job. It helps to break that rust, and that bolt has been there since the truck left the factory 15 years ago, and the fuel pump hasn't been changed. Okay, there's a socket. They call it a bolt extractor socket. You can get them everywhere. Put it over the bolt, tap it down, make sure teeth will have a good grip, and then you go with a socket or wrench and try to turn. And as you can see, she's turning and started coming out, but don't rush. You don't want teeth to slip. Spray a little bit of penetrating oil. That will help to go through that initial turn, and as soon as it starts turning, it should go out. And I know there's multiple ways to extract broken fasteners, depends where the location or what tools you have, but this type of bolt extractor socket works great. And yeah, especially if you have no welder machine, you cannot weld a nut or bolt to the bolt to grip it and make it come out. And as you can see, it's almost out, and now I can get it out. Just turn by hand and boom. I'm so happy it wasn't that bad, and now I can finish my repair and put a fuel tank back. And guys, if you have any questions or you run into the same problem with the broken bolts, let me know what worked for you. And yeah, see, now I'm ready for the installation, and the fuel pump video will be down in the description. Check it out, and more Nissan Titan troubleshooting interesting videos, and yeah, check them as well. And yeah, don't have any broken bolts. I wish everything will be nice and smooth. Take care, and bye bye.